So how to make a recording on Zoom. So let's imagine we have a class and we need to record the class. So first of all, we need to start Zoom. Hello. Yeah, we start a session. Then we can invite our students. If the students don't have the link, we can invite the students using some приглашение, invitation. Yeah, we can invite them by sending the invitation link or just an invitation. So imagine we are having a class and we share this screen with the students. You can share the screen like different kinds of screen, or you can you can press here and you can make the recordings available for your students. So we are having a class right now, so everything is fine, and you need to record the class. You press on here запись, and запись на этот компьютер. So as soon as you hear recording in progress, it means that you're already recording the class. So you can share the screen, you can do different activities, and then you just understand that the class is over. You go here, you press pause, остановить запись, да? Приостановить запись или закончить запись. So we can make a pause here, or we can pause here, or if you want to finish it, you just need to close it like this and go in here. And now you see that now the recording is being processed. Преобразование записи в конференции. And then you will see that you have a result here. And then we just send it to the Telegram. You open your Telegram, you open any tab you like, and you just send it. So let's imagine I have some saved messages and I'm sending it to my saved messages. Ready.